Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can see, I have some new hair to share with you guys. This is a deep wave 20-inch 5x5 lace front wig from LUVME hair. I will have the wig linked down below as well as all of the specs in case you're interested, and a coupon code so you guys can save some money. So be sure to check the description box down below. Jumping right into it, like I mentioned, this wig is from LUVME hair. It came in this box with a purple ribbon on it. It's like a purple glittery box with their logo on the front. This is a nice storage box that you can use to store your wig later. When you open it up, it has this letter inside on the tissue paper that says enjoy your hair journey from now on, and then you'll see the wig underneath. They also sent some goodies, which was really nice. They included a little bag that you can also store your wig in. They included some wig caps as well as a postcard with their information on the back. They also included a little makeup bag, and they had an edge brush inside, which was really nice. They also included a satin edge scarf. So getting into the wig, it was wrapped in a hairnet and it had some tissue paper inside. Like I mentioned, this is a 5x5 lace front wig. The knots are like lightly bleached, and then it has a pre-plucked hairline. There's combs inside. You can insert an elastic band as well as adjustable straps in the back. This is a deep wave wig like I mentioned, and this hair is so soft, you guys. Like straight out of the box, this hair was so soft, and I absolutely love how the lace was looking right up against my skin straight out of the box. It looked so natural and so good, so I was really excited to install this wig. I did another video recently with a 5x5 lace front wig, and I think, guys, this is my new obsession. It's so much easier than a frontal, and it lasts so much longer. I went ahead and put some makeup on the inside of the lace, and then I also went ahead and like wet the hair a little bit and just put some spray that had a little bit of water and conditioner, and I let it air dry just a little bit before I installed it, and this is what it was looking like. As you can see, it still has that same beautiful texture, but the curls loosened up a lot and they look a lot more natural. This is the hair about 50% dry, so you guys can see originally it was really coiled and it kind of looked more wig-like, but once you wet the hair, it looks so natural. It still maintains that same curl, but it just looks a lot more natural, and I absolutely love this hair. I went ahead and tried the wig on before gluing it down and styling it just to see how it looks, and this is how the lace is looking right up against the wig cap. I did do like a slight bald cap method. I didn't show it in this video, but again, I'll have my other install where I did a 5x5 install recently linked down below in case you guys want to see a little more in depth. As you can see, my wig cap underneath is not laid down perfectly and it still looks so natural, but once I go ahead and put my adhesive spray, it's gonna go ahead and blend in. You guys can see this hair again is so soft. It has so much movement to it, and the texture is just really beautiful. With no baby hairs up against the skin, it looks really good. I used the Ebon Wonder lace adhesive. I put 3 layers, and I went ahead and pulled the lace down to where I wanted it to be on the hairline. I went ahead and used a little rat tail comb to push back the hair and let everything set with a wig band. This is what it was looking like before I cut off the lace, and it looks so good, guys. This wig came pre-plucked, so if you wanted to install this wig just like this right out of the box and just use a wig spray, it's super easy and looks super natural. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and add some baby hairs. So I'm just sectioning off 3 little sections, and I'm going ahead and clipping down the hair. I'm using a little edge brush and some got-to-be glue, and I'm just swooping my baby hairs into place. You guys know this is optional, but I do baby hairs on every single hairstyle that I do. And I don't have a hot comb, so I went ahead and took this curling wand right here, and I'm just smoothing it down the edges. I used the yellow can of the spray to install the wig, but once I do the baby hairs, I take the red can of the Ebon Wonder lace and I go ahead and just spray that on everything just to set the entire look in place. I use the blow dryer on cool, and guys, look at this lace. Like, this literally looks looks like it is my hair. It looks so natural. I am so happy with how it came out. I also just flattened the top part of the hair a little bit. I let everything set one last time with the wig band, and this is how everything was looking. I also took the hot comb at the top of the parting area and I just flattened the top of the wig down. I love how the hair looks, and I did want some volume, but I just wanted it to look a little more flat on the top. And guys, this is how it looks. This was a super easy install, and this wig lasted without having to really touch it up for about 4 to 5 days just with that wig spray. I really recommend that spray. It's so much easier than using like the more latex style jelly kind of glues, in my opinion. With those, you have to be really precise and make sure to get a really smooth, even layer. But with the spray, it's a little bit easier and it lasts really well. So I definitely recommend checking it out. I love, love, love this hair, guys, and this wig. I will have it linked down below. LUVME hair never fails me. I also tried a wig from them recently. I'll have that video linked down below if you guys are interested. Definitely check out their website. They have so many options and their hair is super nice quality. As you guys can see, this is what the ends look like when they were dried, and they were full and soft and bouncy, and the hair is just such a beautiful texture. Let me know what you guys think of this hair on me. I definitely love this wig and how it came out. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out, as well as a coupon code so you guys can save some money. You cannot go wrong with like a deep wavy wig, and a 5x5 is super easy. If you just want a wig that is like an easy go-to that you can always reinstall, it's gonna last you a while and is really nice quality, I definitely recommend this wig. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah.